Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making... Okay guys, so we're going to make some tamarind sauce or tamarind chutney. So here, let me just show you here. Here I have some tamarind pulp that I had put on the stove with some water to boil. Okay, so it's now nice and well, as you can see, it has softened. So what I'm going to do now is strain this pulp into a bowl, and I probably might add more water if I find it's too thick, and then we will add some of our different spices to it. Okay, so I'm gonna add my tamarind pulp in here. I'm just gonna strain this through because we don't want the pulp, we just want the sauce, or the liquid rather, to make our sauce or chutney. This is traditionally eaten with doubles or aloo pie. So I'm going to add more liquid to this. I can see that I can get more liquid out of this. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna finish squeezing out this, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so here I have my I've strained out my tamarind, so I just have the liquid here now. So now we're gonna season this up. Now, depending on how sour your tamarind is will determine how much sugar you'll add to yours. I'm gonna start off with about a third cup of sugar, and if I need to add more I will, but we'll start with that. I'm going to add some salt to this. So I'm going to add some salt. I'm also going to add some ginger garlic paste that I made. I'll leave a link in the description showing you how I made this ginger garlic paste. So say about, I guess, 1 tablespoon of this. I'm going to add this sauce back to the stove in order to heat through. So I'm adding about, I would say maybe 1 tablespoon of that. I'm also going to be adding some green seasoning blend. Again, I'll leave a link in the description showing you how you can make your own green seasoning blend. So I added about, 2 tablespoons of that. And I also made some mango chutney. So I am going to add this mango chutney to this tamarind as well, this tamarind chutney, so it's a fusion. And I'll add about 1 tablespoon, because why not? It just enhances the flavor. All right, so let's stir all of this together. Of course, if you wanted your tamarind sauce or your tamarind chutney to be spicy, you could add hot pepper to it, but I'm not going to be adding any hot pepper to mine. I'm going to go over to the stove and heat this through. Actually, I'm going to use the same pot here that I had, I'm going to use this same pot here that I had initially boiled it in. And of course, I have to taste to see if I need to add more sugar to it. All right, so let me add it back to the pot. The reason why I want to add it, I'm going to put it onto the stove, put it on the stove, is because I want to help melt the sugar and also take away some of the, the rawness from the ginger and the garlic paste. Of course, my ginger and garlic paste has other things in it as well. So that's why I said you can always look at the video that I'll leave in the description showing you how I made it. Right, so let me just taste some to see if I need to add more sugar. And yes, I will add some more sugar. Alright, so let's head over to the stove so we can heat this up. Okay guys, so our tamarind sauce is now completed. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.